Good morning, friends. How are you all? I am so. In our childhood, our brain remains empty. So everything we can accept in the brain. And in service life, your first service is will remain in your brain permanently. And later, it will be saturated and cannot remember if the time is short. But if the time is there, your experience will grow. So I worked in Eastern Railway as assistant loco pilot only for 2 years. But the memory is so bright in my brain. So I'm thinking to write something about electric locomotives. And TRD, I have worked near about 32 years. So there is a time, and in locomotive there is a fresh brain. And electrical general, we have read it in Polytechnic. So, as a railway electrical engineer, I think my base is all round as an engineer. So, I think to reflect it in my YouTube channel. Next, I'll try to reflect the electric locomotives. It's very interesting. It's control circuit. Very interesting. And electrical general, about this electrical, almost we know the general public is aware about the electrical general, but railway electrical general somewhat separate. The wiring circuit is same, but except that we are providing road over bridge lighting, modification of TRD under the ROV and FOV, and some air conditioning system, central air conditioning system. It is somewhat separate. Then your solar system, nowadays the solar lighting system is coming, solar plant. It is also not too much known to me. And then about this electrical general, this 11 kV, 33 kV, all these lines, distributing lines, we are taking power from them. So that portion is also covered in railway electrical engineering. And some other things, street light, everything is known to all. So I think almost I have covered the electrical portion, the base, not in depth, the base in railway electrical engineering. And my YouTube channel, I'll reflect all these things in future. Now I have started to study BTech in this age, but my experience will help in the project, but not in the theoretical portion, because theoretical portion is somewhat separate. Theoretical portion is somewhat separate. Again, to dive in the calculus, we did it in the Polytechnic in depth, but have forgotten due to without practice. But I am very much curious about mathematics. I'm thinking we are doing limit, we are doing differential calculus, integral calculus. But what is it? That we have to understand. Actually, what is it? We can understand arithmetic very well and algebra also. But calculus, a separate branch, actually what it is doing, actually what it is doing, that will that will I'll try to understand. My life is an experiment. I am doing everywhere the experiment. Now I am thinking about my brain. Sometimes my brain is first time telling the right thing, then ambiguity is coming, and the wrong thing is developing in the brain. That is saturation portion of brain. So only with meditation, you can improve your saturation level. Saturation level. Up to your level, after the after that after the level, ambiguity will come, but you progress it. Saturation will come, but you increase your saturation, so that your level will be increased. Everybody we have some level, after that we are in ambiguity. But that can be progress ahead by meditation. What is the need of meditation? That is only progressed by meditation. So we are doing meditation. In my mathematics examination, my brain is reaching saturation. And in life, I never did good in mathematics, but I am good in mathematics. I remember my friend Vikas Mahalanavis. We are taking teaching. We were taking teaching to a teacher, school teacher, and I told Vikas that I did this math. I, I, my practice is to start mathematics from the last problem, because initially there is a common problem, easier problem, but I am starting from the end. This is my tendency, and I did this math. He told me, show me, but I failed. That is, when I am alone, I can reach in depth, but when somebody's presence, I cannot reach that level. So this meditation, this sadhana, it has to be done alone. It has to be done alone, not in a crowd. The yogi, they are doing yoga in the top of the hill. Why? There you can sense your peak. Thank you, friend. Good morning.